Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time landing on my Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time landing on my channel, welcome. My name is Miriam. So today's video, I have no idea where it's going. I don't even know what the title of this video is going to be because there's so many things that I need to do, but the weather just won't let me be great. Like, I want to be working on my patio right now. I need to change a couple of things and just redo everything on the patio because it's dirty, it's dusty. We need to power wash it and everything, and I really wanted to get that done for this week's video, but the weather won't let me be great. So now I'm not really sure exactly what you guys are gonna get this Thursday. So this is me just, the intro to the video. So by the time the video comes out, you'll know what you're getting, but I have no idea what's going on this Thursday. So I guess I'll just start working on the things that I need to do inside the house. For those of you that have me on Instagram, you know that I posted a video of the kitchen makeover that I need to start working on with my husband. Maybe I'll start on that. I also need to paint those French doors as well. So we'll see what this week's video would be about. I just figured I'll give you guys a very lengthy intro so you have an understanding of what's going on, because I guess we're all gonna find out soon. So the next day I decided to go outside anyway, regardless of what Mother Nature said. But it was supposed to rain anyway, but we had a couple of hours before it started to rain, so I decided that I'll just go out and try to trim these leaves, and it was an epic fail because, as you can see, there's I don't know what the machine is called, but there's a machine that you can use that'll make this a lot easier, that'll just shape the branches for you so you don't have to clip one by one like I was doing. And I really thought I was doing something here, but it didn't take long for me to realize, sis, you're wasting your time. So I stopped. I quickly stopped what I was doing because it was not getting nowhere. I was clipping, I didn't even see a difference. I really need to invest in this machine, and if you guys know what it's called, please leave it down in the comment section below, because I do not know what it's called, but I do know that definitely have to invest in one so it'll make my life easier. Husband decided to cut the grass as well while we were all outside, so it was we were all kind of just trying to clean up a little bit before summertime comes and then it gets out of control. So he decided to cut the grass while my son just plays and watches us work in the trampoline. So I had bought these plant stands from last year, and I decided to use it in my decor for the front door. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint them. I wanted to do this last year, but I didn't get a chance to, so I decided that I'll just do it anyway. I'm going to do a more detailed front porch makeover, but for now I'm just going to do this to just change the look a little bit. But when I do finish that project, I will post it on my Instagram instead. I'm not going to make another video. So if you are interested in that, make sure you follow me on social media on my Instagram account so you can see the final result of our front porch makeover.
need to power wash the entire house, the entire exterior of the house, especially the front porch. But like I said, I'm gonna be doing an upgraded and updated front porch makeover, but I will do that when we get ready to power wash the front of the house. We didn't do it because we didn't have time, the rain was coming down. But when my husband does get ready to do that, I'll just take everything off the porch again, and that's when I will do the final porch makeover for the summertime. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you want to see how it turns out. Guys, I really do not like this rug there. I just put it there for the time being because I didn't want the other rug there. I'm also going to be DIYing this table for the final look that I'm going for. That color is not working, and I also want to give it a little bit more texture, so stay tuned for that.
You guys, so I legit just broke a whole nail, and I'm about to be just done with this whole thing because now I'm like aggravated. But now I need my nails done anyway. But so my camera fell while I was explaining, but what I was trying to say was I'm putting rocks around this faux plant that I bought, just so it's secure and it doesn't move. I did this one and I'm about to do the other one. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm going to add flour moss around it so it can appear to look real.